Yo, what is going on, guys? This video I am super excited to be bringing you. I'm going to be showing you today how to get Goku in Sailor Peace. This is the fastest and easiest method, guys. This is going to get all melee styles unlocked, and that includes the brand new Goku in Sailor Peace. Before I show you this, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway. To enter, you simply have to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I'm going to be giving gift cards to lots of people. So anyway, let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get Goku in Sailor Peace fast and for completely free. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. I've actually been searching Google and watching tutorials and reading tutorials. This is the easiest method. So use your mobile phone and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly. You can pause the video and copy Crash Coupons, but basically it's going to bring you to this website. They don't only have Roblox Sailor Peace codes, they actually have lots of other codes as well, so I highly recommend you come to this website often to check what they have. But I'm just going to use the search bar at the top of the page and search for Sailor Peace Roblox. There are a few different, well, there are 6 at the minute, different codes. So the code that's going to get you Goku in Sailor Peace, if we go ahead and scroll down, it's going to be the All Styles code. So this is going to unlock all fighting styles in Sailor Peace, and that includes the melees. So this is going to get you Goku, guys, and it is a simple code that you can redeem in your game. So yeah, it's going to save you from having to complete the missions and grind the game to unlock Goku. You can literally just use this code to unlock all fighting styles. So as you can see, you need to unlock this code, guys, because this is pretty desirable and it is a limited code. So click on get full code, and you've got to follow the instructions you see on this screen here. This basically tells you what you need to do to unlock your Sailor Peace code for Goku. It says complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks. You may see slightly different ones to me if you're in a different country. You may see slightly more as well. You just need to select any 2 of the tasks on this page. I've only got 2, so that's the 2 I would choose. And it says follow the instructions below each app. So as you can see, it tells you what to do. They're all completely free. It does take about 5 minutes. I did this earlier, so I won't do it again. But basically, once you complete that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Sailor Peace code will be revealed. You redeem it, and that is going to get you Goku. So that is going to get you all fighting styles unlocked. That is awesome. That is it. Go to Crash Coupons. If you need any help getting your Sailor Peace code for Goku, let me know. But it is pretty easy. I'm doing that Robux giveaway, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.